Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Scotiabank card. Now, the first thing I want you to do is launch your Scotiabank app and then just log into your account with your username and password, okay? Or of course you could use your Face ID as well. And then once you're on the app, what I want you to do, make sure you're in the home section at the bottom left and then click on your credit card. So you tap on it and then you'll see this option right here that says manage. Okay, I want you to come here under your credit card, tap on manage this gear cog right here, and this will open up all of these settings. Now here under settings you'll see lock or unlock card. Okay, just tap on it, and if your card is locked such as this, I want you to just toggle this one off. Now as soon as it's toggled off, as you can see, it is unlocked. That is all you have to do. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.